Question number 1. The study of living organism with the environment is known as ecosystem, environment, community, ecology. Correct answer is option D, ecology. Question number 2. Which of the following describes the study of group of the population? Synology, autology, biomes, community. Correct answer is option A, syncology. Question number 3. What is the climate pattern in areas of limited size or immediate surrounding of plant and animal? Mixed climate, macroclimate, microclimate, segmented climate. Correct answer is option C, microclimate. Question number 4. Which of the following climate zone lies around 40° to 60° latitude? Tropical, subtropical, Arctic, temperate. Correct answer is option D, temperate. Question number 5. A relatively dense layer of band which is found in the thermosphere is known as troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, ionosphere. Correct answer is option D, ionosphere. Question number 6. Which of the following parameter of light is not required by plants to grow? Wavelength of light, intensity of light, duration of light, color of light. Correct answer is option D, color of light. Question number 7. What is pedology? Study of the effect of light on plant growth, study of leaves, study of climate, study of soil. Correct answer is option D, study of soil. Question number 8. Name the type of water stored in the soil in the form of hydrate, oxide of iron, silicon and aluminum. Gravitational water, capillary water, hygroscopic water, chemically bound water. Correct answer is option D, chemically bound water. Question number 9. Vegetation of tropical deciduous forest falls under which of the following categories? Mesotherm, megatherm, microtherm, hexicatotherm. Correct answer is option A, mesotherm. Question number 10. The collection of individuals which belongs to the same species when live together in region is known as keystone species, community, guild, population. Correct answer is option D, population. Question number 11. Name the term which defines the study of the characteristics and parameter of the population. Demography, population ecology, population density, morality. Correct answer is option A, demography. Question number 12. Which of the following term defines the ability of the individual in the population to produce new individuals? Dispersion, mortality, natality, population dispersal. Correct answer is option C, natality. Question number 30. Which of the following survival shift curve is suitable for the organism who breed several times during course of their lifespan? Type 4, Type 3, Type 2, Type 1. Correct answer is option D, Type 1. Question number 40. Name those organisms who can breed only once in their lifetime. Disprase, clump, Heteroporus, Semelporus. Correct answer is option D, Semelporus. Question number 50. Which of the following structure can be seen in the diminishing population? Upright, inverted, bell-shaped, unshaped. Correct answer is option D, unshaped. Question number 60. A group of people coexist within space and time and interact with each other is known as keystone species, community, guide, population. Correct answer is option B, community. Question number 17. Which of the following defines the separation of two different communities? Ecton, age effect, decade, resistance. Correct answer is option A, ecton. Question number 80. What is an age effect? Community complexity, community classification, increased diversity at the boundary of ecton, community stability. Correct answer is option C. Increased diversity at the boundary of ecton is known as age effect. Question number 90. Which of the following is a diversity index? Upright index, inverted index, bell-shaped index, Simpson index. Correct answer is option D. Simpson index. Question number 20. Genetically different population with the same physical feature is known as ecosystem, ecates, community, ecotype. Correct answer is option D. Ecotype.